So next topic is starting a computer. So before we learn about how to start a computer, let me just show you a small image. So this is an image of a alarm clock. So what does an alarm clock do? It helps you to wake up in the morning. So some of us, our parents wake us up in the morning. For some of us, we need an alarm clock. So similarly, to do any tasks, any work in the computer, we need to wake up the computer. Okay, we need to wake up the computer. So how do we wake up? Either we say waking up the computer or switching on the computer. So how do we do that? Okay, we'll go step by step. So if you look at your textbook, page number 18, says starting a computer. Step 1, switch on the main power button. First, we need to switch on the main power supply button. So if you look at this image, you'll find the main power supply button here. So if you click on this, what will happen? This will let electricity flow to the computer. So this is step 1. This is very important. Switch on the main power button. So next, step 2. So step 2, what we'll do is we need to switch on the UPS. We'll switch on the UPS. So this is where you switch it on. As you know, UPS stands for Uninterruptible Power Supply. So it means uninterruptible power supply means if in case there is a power failure. So what the UPS does is it gives you some backup. At least as the electricity goes off, you have some time to at least close all the application and you can shut down the computer. So since computers are connected to the UPS, electricity will flow to all the different parts of the computer. So step 3 is to switch on the CPU power button. As you all know, CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is also called the brain of the computer. And we'll go to step 4. Step 4 will switch on the monitor power button. So once we switch on the monitor power button, you'll find slowly you'll see the Windows logo coming on. Okay. So after we switch on the monitor, the computer takes some time to start. You'll not see the computer start as soon as you switch on the CPU button. It will take some time. So that particular time which the computer takes to start the computer, that particular process is called your booting. This is called booting. So during this time, the operating system gets loaded onto the computer. So once the computer is loaded, once the booting is finished, the first screen that appears on the monitor after the booting process, it is called the desktop. So as you can see, this is the desktop. This is also the first screen that appears on the monitor after the booting process. So next step we'll do is exploring the desktop. So after booting is done, a screen appears on the monitor. As you know, the screen is called the desktop. So this is my desktop. So on the desktop, there are many small pictures on it. These small pictures are called icons. The small pictures are called icons. So if you look carefully, you'll find icons, you'll find folders, you'll find some files, you'll see some shortcuts. So basically, these are called icons. These are all graphical user interface. With the help of the icons, you can proceed further. You can choose whatever application, whatever folder you want to open, if you want to open a file, if you want to go to my computer. So with the help of these icons, it will help you to navigate. So behind the icons, there is an image called the background. So this is called your background. So at the bottom of the desktop, there is a rectangular panel. Can you see this rectangular panel at the bottom of the desktop? This rectangular panel is called the taskbar. It's called the taskbar.